Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Castes. In the castes, so first, what are castes? So there are urinary castes. These urinary castes are actually formed from Tom Hochfeld protein. Urinary castes are formed from Tom Hochfeld glycoprotein, and these urinary castes are mainly synthesized and they are secreted in the ascending limb of loop of Henle. They are synthesized and secreted in ascending limb of loop of Henle. Now, these Tom Hochfeld proteins, whenever there is these Tom Hochfeld proteins, will combine with the cellular elements. When they combine with the cellular elements, these results in formation of casts in the acidic medium. Now, so these are the urinary casts. These urinary casts are of two types. We have physiological urinary casts or we have pathological urinary casts.
thank you and thank you for watching.